What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Let me clean you off real quick. Got all that dust from sanding, you know? Speaking of sanding, we have gotten a lot done on the 4,000 gallon saltwater pond since the last time you have seen it. First things first, we have a skimmer now. And that skimmer is the most bad skimmer you could buy. Tommy, my aquarium guy, set this sucker up the other day. And yeah, he had a little bit to say about it.
This is where the air goes into the pumps. So the Venturis pull from here, and then these Venturi pumps just destroy that air. Whole bunch of bubbles fill into here. They collect into the deflection cup, which is down there.
Yep, it's right there.
Water comes out through here.
Straight back into the pond. Boom. Right in the pond. Skimmer is in. We also painted trim of the entire pond, and it looks insane. Although there's a bunch of stuff all over it right now. My Uncle Nicky, big shout out to you, painted the entire thing. We start off the day sanding and vacuuming out the inside of this pond. Brenton's here, by the way. Brenton! Yeah!
Oh my goodness.
He's always fiberglassing every time I see him. Look at him. Look at him. What are you doing, dude?
I'm fiberglassing more. There's not any leaks, but I'm just fiberglassing more.
We had resin, so we were like, why not just put more?
Yeah.
So we sanded the entire pond, and it's time to now put, well, he's doing that, and then we'll put the second coat of paint.
Oh my goodness.
Second coat of paint is inside this. Brenton, catch it. Oh. Along with that, we have already went out and bought all the rock for the outside of this, which we'll get into in a little bit. I picked a good color. I won't lie.
I think it's terrible. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That looked like that hurt your feelings.
I really did. It is the next day and it's time to do a full coat of brand new pond paint. We've gotten everything else done. The trim is painted. The fiberglass we had laid yesterday is completely dry and sanded. And Brenton is now unboxing the last coat of paint that is gonna go over the entire pond.
We're about to go buck wild!
Yeah, we are! And it's about to look a lot bluer than it does now.
If it does leak though, it won't.
It's not gonna leak, Brenton.
But if it does, it is not Paul and I's fault, okay? The wood that is on here is not exactly the perfect wood for this project, so we're trying to work with what
we're learning from mistakes.
Yeah, next time we'll use different plywood. This one, as you can see, it bows a little bit. That's not good, but we're gonna make it work.
Wish us luck, fellas. Let's get started. Oh, yeah. Dude, he sounds like a male goat. He does.
Oh.
Dude, we gotta get the acetone. Get the acetone. Oh, dude, this is a disaster. I got some on the window. Oh my God, it's
dripping. Oh, it's dripping.
Oh, dude. That is a fresh coat of blue right there. It is so much bluer. Look at that. I'm gonna have to get acetone and clean the paint drip off the top of this window here, but I'll just do that once it dries. These sandbags right here are keeping part of the floor that was coming up a little bit down. That way when the pressure does hit the pond from the water, it's already pushed down dry instead of it drying up and then it has to push down and possibly crack. So that's why we left those sandbags right there and just kind of painted around it. But yeah, this looks absolutely amazing. Now all we gotta do is this rock wall. You got it in your hair, Brenton.
I do?
Yep.
No!
Look down. Oh yeah, it is looking good. And I can't imagine what it's gonna look like once, obviously the skimmer's running, the filter in the back is running, and of course the rock wall on the outside. In the back of the truck we have all of the rock. We got all this yesterday. We're at your favorite place, Brenton.
Oh yeah, I own equity in this. Actually,
I thought there was a sign there and I point the camera up. There's nothing there. You know where we're at. It's time to get the stuff we need. There it is. Now, if we were at the other store, there'd probably be a lot more options, but that's kind of fire.
I think that looks really good. That just looks like it belongs.
That does. It looks kind of like coral. That one, yeah.
Oh my God, it moved whenever I hit it. I thought it was gonna fall. Oh my God.
This one's really dope too. Look at that. To go with the black top. That's gonna fall. Perfect. I'll stand right here. This is actually a super cool color right here. This one looks sick. How many Oh goodness.
All right, let me do the math. We need 16 of these.
This guy has like a calculator in his head or something. All right, I'm not gonna let him be the only one working. Let's get it. So yes, we settled on this color. It has a little bit of the brown, which kind of goes with the turtle vibe in the corner. And then we have the lighter color that kind of goes with the saltwater, like coral vibe. These are like freaking 60 pounds per box, so it's gonna be really heavy getting all this over to the building. It's a far walk. But there's only one way to get things finished, and that's to get it started. Let's go. Look at everyone. Wow, wow. It looks so cool. Through that window too, look at them all. Oh yeah. Our filter's finally working. Look, it's all flowing. The water's high right now too. Yeah, thank God I got the boys' help. It's all right, we only have one more trip after this.
Here we go.
You know, it must be nice hanging out on the couch watching this right now. Assuming that you're watching this on your couch or bed.
Want somebody be working?
It's almost like at the construction site, like.
Dude, it is so hot out here, dude. I think Florida is slowly becoming closer to the earth in one day. I say this as people are watching at like 115 degrees in Arizona. But seriously, it's just becoming so humid that I don't think the earth is going to be around much longer. I have a conspiracy theory that we are just slowly getting close to the earth and the government's hiding it from us. We're not going to be here too much longer, fellas. You might as well like this video while you can and subscribe while you can.
Yeah, that was smooth.
Yep, that was good, right? Ah, it's all muddy. This better be enough rock. Because if my calculations are off, we're going to need to buy more and do this all over again. So right there is the rock we're working with, and essentially we put this right here, liquid nail, all over the wall, get this piece, stick it, and look how that's gonna look.
On the Meemaw, wow.
On the Meemaw. I think we should do it over here first. We'll finish this whole wall. Boom, baby! The first piece is cut right off. Stick the hose under there. And now this next piece will literally just slide right in to that. Right there. Watch, we'll show you. Right in. Just like that. Fits perfectly, dude.
It's a great fit. We'll just run a bead of silicone in here too.
Yeah.
Flush it up. I mean, that's gonna be awesome. And then this little line right here will be covered in the other.
So sick,
It goes
dude.
along. I mean, it's gonna be.
Oh, this right here is exactly what the pond looks like currently. We still have a good amount to go. We still got to go up all this, and then of course all of this. And I don't even know how many boxes we got. I don't think we have enough, to be honest with you. Like I said, I guess we'll find out once we get there, but right now it don't look like we have enough. We can always go back and get some more. The inside of the pond, we re-fiberglassed, like, oh my gosh, it's so bright. We had put new fiberglass all along there, all here, pretty much all the corners as well, like re-fiberglassed everything again. Just because we had it, so why not, right? We put extra structure on there. And then we put a bunch of paint all on the ground, especially on the floor to make it really thick, and some on the walls as well. We'll hit the windows and get all this off once it's, oh, it's already dry actually. See that right there? It peels right off. So I'm not too worried about this right here. We'll get that off and just peel them right up. We actually thought of this really cool idea though. Inside the window, we left this ledge, instead of cutting this right here, we left this little like 1-inch ledge, right? I'm gonna put gravel and then like fake succulents in here, and it's just gonna look so good. But yet that window is still gonna be there. The pond is just gonna look absolutely absurd. Insane. Good is what I mean by that. Picture it. My goodness. By the way, this was just an open space, so I decided to get a curtain and hang the curtain and keep this as storage. So got a little bit of storage right here. And all in all, I have nothing but good things to say about this. As of this far, you know, anything could happen. But today, I really want to get at least this side done so we can get a really good view on what we're looking like. So I'm gonna stop talking so we can get to gluing more of this rock wall onto the pond. I just got so much up in my pants. Yeah, so much for a shower. Guys, I want to ask you, what do you think? Do you think we picked the right color? You think Brenton and I did a good job on our color choice? I think that just matches this whole area so perfectly. Let us know in the comments down below. Those look like little turds, bro.
Yeah, I love it. That's why I like to do this.
And we're working on this side as well. Gosh, that looks so cool. I just can't imagine like the whole, although this side looks good, like I can't imagine this whole entire side being done like that. Oh! You put that shop vac on while you're cutting, put it behind the grinder, and there's no mess. Yeah! No. Take a look at this. Holy smokes. Yeah.
Black up here, like that gray black.
Yeah, that gray black that we were looking at probably would have looked pretty sick.
Yeah.
Because it's okay. Black on black, but this looks good, okay? This looks good. We have a little bit here to do. All up top there, a little bit right here, which we're using these to keep these up. And that is about it. Oh, we're missing a trunk right here, Brenton. That little space right there is an easy fix. Like this. These are just leftover cuts, but they all happen to just fit. This one right there. I'll stick this one.
Pieces to the puzzle.
My goodness, check that out. Fully done now. I want you guys to rate our rock wall work. Actually, our pond work. What do you think of the whole entire pond, okay? What do you think of today's video? Rate it 1 to 10 in the comments down below and let us know. Before I end the video just yet, I've got some stuff that just arrived to the house last minute for the big pond. And we're gonna unbox it. Just real quick, people love these unboxings, including myself. It means I got something new, of course. But I'm actually not sure what's in this.
Oh.
Because I've ordered a lot in the last couple of weeks. These right here are massive wave makers for the pond.
Oh.
I have three of these things. They're actually pumps. And then I'll just run the pumps with tubing for wave makers.
Pumps.
Yeah, so there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 right here. And there's some more stuff in here as well.
Oh, some good old piping.
Yep, some good old piping.
We know you love piping.
All this stuff. Big shout out to EcoTech Marine right here. I'll have their information in the description down below. They actually sent me all this stuff for free. So big shout out to you guys. The first free thing I've got in this pond.
Really?
I swear. I mentioned to you guys that I was gonna actually give you guys a full from start to finish cost on this video. So I've been keeping track of how much I've been spending. That video will go live obviously once the project is fully complete, but we've already surpassed like $14,000 on this project. So EcoTech, thank you so much. You're a blessing for sure. There's some stuff in this box, but I just wanted to show you guys this little bit of an unboxing and our new wave makers before we got any further. Oh yeah, dude, there's a back pump, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh look. Oh, where is it? There, I just saw it. Where'd it go? There it is. Check that out. You can literally control what speed you want.
That's dope.
Dude, 3 of these baby mamas in here.
Goodness.
It is gonna be flowing. Now I'll show you where I plan to put them. I have a plan to put one of the wave makers right here, for sure. One's gonna go right there. I think another one might go like right there, and then the other one would be over here to then push the water back to the pumping area.
So you can control the pumps from your phone?
You can control them from your phone. Dude,
that's dope.
if I was a fish in there, you're gonna be like, big shout out to Brenton behind the camera here. Halo Zeckleton.
On the gang.
On the gang. Today's video is essentially over. The pond looks incredible, and it's only gonna look better in the next one. So make sure you subscribe with your notifications on so you don't miss when I post the next one and this is fully done. Just imagine all the fish we're gonna get for this thing, dude. We definitely didn't just go catch a shark yesterday.
No, that's totally not. Get down.
Yeah, I've wanted this for so long, dude. Love ya, and we'll see you right back here in the next one. Peace. Peace. Brenton covered the hole I went and got silicone for with fiberglass. Why did I go to the barn and get this?
I thought it would be just better if I did that.
Trying to help me out and What is this? Go back to Texas, dude.
Oh!
Don't say that.